Preparing for a party, or do you feel that you can use some vegetables? Look no further because today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful platter of crudite with Korean Ssamjang inspired hummus. You will absolutely love the flavors of this dip, and most importantly, it's so simple to make. Crudite might sound too fancy, but simply put, it's raw or quickly blanched vegetables which are cut into bite-sized pieces and are usually served with some kind of dip like hummus, sour cream, guacamole, and etc. Ssamjang is a thick dipping sauce that you're likely to find in Korean barbecue restaurants. It's made with Doenjang, Korean soybean paste, Gochujang, Korean chili paste, sweet syrup, sesame oil, and etc. It's loaded with flavors, nutty, sweet, and whole lot of umami. I haven't seen anyone who does not like Ssamjang. However, Ssamjang can be pretty salty, so you either have to dip just a little bit on your veggie sticks, or you have to wrap it with vegetables and rice and sometimes meat together with a little bit of the sauce. So that's why I've added my own tweak here to make it like Ssamjang hummus. So everyone can dip a lot of it and it's so flavorful all together. So you can serve it as a snack with crudite or as a stylish appetizer at the parties. So here we have Doenjang, Korean soybean paste, and Gochujang, Korean chili paste. I'm going to add these into the mixing bowl. And here is agave syrup. If you don't have it, then you can substitute it with honey or brown rice syrup. I do like the agave syrup because of the neutral taste. And here's a medium clove of garlic. Here's cooked chickpea. This is the secret ingredient I've added here. I tried the same recipe without the chickpeas. There are many recipes that combines the mayonnaise and Korean Ssamjang together, but adding the chickpeas brings up so much more flavors. Canned chickpea, so drain it and add half right into the bowl. And a little bit of lemon juice to brighten the taste. About 1 teaspoon. And here we have the vegan mayonnaise to add the creaminess. If you don't like mayonnaise, you can substitute it with 1 tablespoon each of tahini, lemon juice, water, and vegetable oil. But I do think mayonnaise goes better for a lighter taste. Sesame oil and toasted sesame seeds for extra nuttiness. So sesame oil and the sesame seeds. And give a nice decoration with the spoon. And garnish with the green onion. To serve on the crudite plate here, I prepared some vegetables. You can use any vegetables that you have or that you like, but I do think it's good to have all kinds of different colors in it. It looks so vibrant and beautiful. So carrots, celery, and mini cucumbers are cut into bâtonnets, and cauliflower and broccoli florets are cut and quickly blanched for 30 seconds for softer texture. Red radish is halved, and here we also have the cherry tomatoes. I'm going to place the bowl first with the dip, and I'm going to place everything . And here's my beautiful platter of crudités with Ssamjang dip, and they're also in these pretty martini glasses. So easy to make and can be beautifully presented like this, and most importantly, very delicious. So it's got all the flavors making a beautiful harmony together. Ssamjang is all good together, but added with the chickpeas and a little bit of mayonnaise, it's really making a beautiful harmony. You have to try this.